My name is Jeffrey Heinzel. I'm here at ASCENDO, at Audio Advice Live, I'm sorry, 2026, and I want to talk about 3 loudspeakers from our surround speaker, the 6.5-inch THE6, which is a passive loudspeaker. And this version is an on-wall version, as you can see. You see here the mounting brackets for the on-wall mounting with the keyhole hangers. And those loudspeakers are point source coaxial, which you can maybe see here quite well. You see the dome tweeter right behind that dust cap. So it's a true point source coaxial. It's a very high performance loudspeaker. It's a speaker that has a 93 dB, 1 watt, 1 meter efficiency. It's an 8 ohm speaker, so it's easy to be driven even by receivers with low power. The speaker maximum SPL is 121 dB SPL. And we have 3 versions. One is the on-wall. This one is what we call the narrow, so you can use it as a sound bar if you, let's say, put 3 next to each other, or you can put it next to a TV, below a TV, above a TV. You can use it for LED walls. Then, of course, the next speaker here is a wedged version. If you can look at that, you see the 30-degree angle. We have a lot of mounting, same like for the 10 before. There's different mountings, wall hangers. At the side here, there is a hole for a wall bracket, which we don't show here right now. So all these 3 speakers have the same performance characteristics. If you want more information about these speakers, please go to aia-cinema.com. Thank you very much.